Welcome to Abuja, a planned metropolis in the heart of Nigeria. Abuja, the vibrant capital of Nigeria, is a testament to the country's vision for a modern, well-planned city. After decades of careful planning and construction, it became the seat of government in 1991, replacing Lagos as the federal administrative capital. The idea of a new capital for Nigeria was first conceptualized in 1976 by late General Murtala Muhammad. At the time, Lagos, the bustling commercial hub, was grappling with severe overcrowding, traffic congestion, and environmental degradation. The government recognized the need for a more centrally located and sustainable capital that could accommodate the growing population and administrative demands of the nation. After extensive research and site evaluations, the Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA, selected Abuja as the ideal location for the new capital. The site met several key criteria. First is the central location. Abuja is situated in the geographical center of Nigeria, equidistant from all major regions. Second criteria is the easy accessibility. The city is connected by a network of highways, railways, and an international airport, providing convenient access from all parts of the country. Third is the salubrious climate. Abuja enjoys a temperate climate with moderate temperatures throughout the year. Lastly is the low population density. The area surrounding Abuja had a relatively low population density, allowing for ample land for future expansion and development. Abuja was meticulously planned as a modern, well-organized city. The city's design was inspired by the Garden City concept, which emphasizes open spaces, greenery, and efficient transportation. The city is divided into several functional districts, including the Central Business District, the Presidential Precinct, Wuse, Garki, and numerous residential and commercial areas. Each district is connected by a comprehensive network of roads and expressways. Abuja has notable features and is renowned for its impressive infrastructure and iconic landmarks. Clean and well laid out roads. The city's roads are wide, well maintained, and organized to facilitate smooth traffic flow. The city boasts a modern light rail system, which is the Abuja Metro light rail that connects key areas, from the Abuja Metro station at Central Area to the airport, Adu station, and to the city outskirts at Wuzango station, providing a convenient and environmentally friendly mode of transportation. The city of Abuja is adorned with numerous lush parks, including the Millennium Park, Mona Lisa, and the Unity Fountain, offering recreational and relaxation spaces for residents and visitors. The main airport is the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. Located just outside the city, the airport is one of the most modern and well-equipped in Africa. The development of Abuja has had a significant impact on Nigeria's economy and society. The city has become a major economic center, attracting businesses and investments from both domestic and international sources. The construction and development of the city created numerous jobs and employment opportunities in various sectors, including real estate, construction, and tourism. Abuja offers a high quality of life and improved standard of living for its residents, with modern infrastructure, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and cultural amenities. The central location of Abuja and its modern infrastructure have fostered national unity and cohesion by providing equal access to government services and opportunities for all citizens. Like any rapidly growing city, Abuja faces certain and also future prospects, including an efficient transport system, housing shortages, and environmental concerns. However, the government and city planners are actively working to address these issues and ensure the city's sustainable development. Looking to the future, Abuja is poised to continue its growth and transformation. With its modern infrastructure, strategic location, and potential for economic prosperity, Abuja is well positioned to become a leading metropolis in Africa and a symbol of Nigeria's progress and development. Abuja, a testament to the visionary planning and aspiration of the Nigerian people, is a modern and thriving capital that has transformed the country's administrative and economic landscape. Its well-planned infrastructure, iconic landmarks, and commitment to sustainability make Abuja an exemplary model of urban development in Africa. As the city continues to evolve and grow, it remains a beacon of progress, representing the hopes and aspirations of the Nigerian nation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.